Building a consistent binary options. Trading strategy starts with understanding the core principle of predictability and discipline. Many traders fail because they chase profits without a structured plan. The first step is defining a clear trading approach based on market analysis rather than guesswork. Use technical indicators like moving averages, RSI, and support and resistance to identify strong entry and exit points. Consistency comes from following the same rules in every trade, regardless of emotions or market noise. Avoid random trades. Instead, set fixed conditions that must be met before you click call or put. For example, confirm a trend with at least 2 indicators before entering a trade. Risk management is another key part of a consistent strategy. Decide how much you are willing to lose on each trade and stick to it. Many successful traders risk only 1% to 3% of their capital per trade. This protects you from wiping out your account during losing streaks. Timeframes also matter. Short-term trades like 60-second options may seem attractive, but they carry higher risks. For a consistent strategy, use longer expiry times like 5 or 15 minutes because they allow more accurate predictions. Keep a trading journal to track every trade, including entry reason, market condition, and outcome. Reviewing your journal helps identify patterns and improve your plan over time. Avoid overtrading because more trades don't mean more profit. They often lead to mistakes. Stick to a set number of quality trades per day, maybe 3 to 5, based on solid signals. Psychological control is critical. Emotions like greed and fear destroy consistency. If you hit your daily loss limit, stop trading and review what went wrong. Similarly, don't increase trade size after a win out of excitement. Treat trading like a business, not a gamble. Backtesting is also essential before applying your strategy with real money. Test your approach on historical data or a demo account to see how it performs under different conditions. Adjust if needed, but avoid constant changes, as this leads to confusion. Consistency means having rules and following them with discipline. It also means accepting that losses are part of the process and focusing on long-term profitability rather than quick wins. A strategy becomes consistent only when it is repeatable, tested, and applied with discipline over time. Building such a plan takes patience and effort, but it creates a path for sustainable results in binary options trading.